Hi, my name is Chloe Holland. I'm in the Biomed class of 2018, and I'm going to major in biology. I love you guys, and I believe a picture's worth 1,000 words. So, good luck in biomed.
Hello, I'm Joe Miller. I'm one of the biomedical sciences teachers here at Worcester Technical High School. The Biomed curriculum was put together by Project Lead the Way, or PLTW. It is a nationally recognized program on par with AP classes and allows you to earn college credit for completing the courses. The Biomed program consists of 4 courses: Principles of Biomedical Science, Human Body Systems, Medical Interventions, and it concludes with a senior internship in the Biomedical Innovations course. The program is structured that you will take 1 course in each of your 4 years of high school. Each year for 1 semester you would come here to Worcester Tech either in the morning or the afternoon and take 2 classes here, one being your biomed class and the other an academic class such as biology, chemistry, or one of our dual enrollment classes. I teach the 9th grade course, PBS. This course is offered each year in the spring semester. Biomed curriculum is a fun, inquiry-based class. Our classes are capped at 20 students. As you can see, for the role of a healthcare professional working at the Total Care Clinic, where you will see a whole host of patients with a laundry list of medical conditions. In Biomed, you are responsible for your own learning. My job is to facilitate that learning by giving you the tools, training, and guidance that you need. Biomed is unlike any class you have taken before. Biomed is not easy. It is a lot of work, but it's also fun and challenging and will prepare you for the rigors of a career in the medical field. Well, enough from me. I'd like to turn it over to the other Biomed teacher, Mr. Severn.
Thanks, Joe. Hi, I'm Bill Severn, the other instructor in the Biomed program. I'm going to go over some of the other details with you. As Mr. Miller mentioned, we have 4 courses in the Biomed program. Mr. Miller teaches PBS, the first course, and I teach the other courses. The second course, Human Body Systems, focuses on anatomy and physiology of the human body. This course, pretty exciting for most students as we get to spend a lot of time in the lab. We do a lot of dissections and other experiments in the lab related to measuring human condition, human physiology, and looking at human anatomy overall. In the third course, Medical Interventions, we still get a lot of time in the lab. We really learn a lot about genetics and how to manipulate genetics. In Medical Interventions, we look at several different diseases and health conditions that affect the human condition, and then students learn various ways to treat these disorders. So we're looking at genetic disorders, we look at cancer, we look at what happens when organs fail. So students get a broad overview of some of the current technology that's in use. They learn how to manipulate DNA, they learn how to work with bacteria, they learn how to alter the proteins that are produced in cells. And these are very hands-on skills that students learn that they can take with them into the working place or into college and beyond. In Biomedical Innovations, this is the last course in the program. We have a few classroom activities and lab activities that sort of wrap up the learning component, but then students really focus on an internship where they work outside of the classroom with a professional in the health field to get some hands-on experience, to develop a problem that they can then come up with an innovative solution for. This culminates with the students doing a presentation, producing a quality professional grade poster, and then again, as I said, presenting that to their peers and the outside community. One of the other highlights in the Biomed program are some of the field trip opportunities that we have. Starting in 9th grade, we get students out to some of the local hospitals. So we start off small, go to AGH, but then by the time students are in 10th, 11th grade, we take trips to PRMC. We also visit Salisbury University to see what the college has to offer students in terms of their health programs. And then we take some trips across the bridge. We go to Anatomy Gifts, where students get the chance to actually see and touch and work with human cadavers. And then finally, we have a trip where students get to see a surgery take place, open heart, at a hospital in Virginia. So that's all I have to share with you about the Biomed program. I'm going to turn this back to Mr. Miller and let him wrap up. But I look forward to seeing you next year if you decide to join the Biomed program.
Hello, it's Mr. Miller again. When deciding if the Biomed program is right for you, you need to honestly self-evaluate yourself. Are you a highly motivated student that does not want the content to be spoon-fed to you? Do you have an interest in pursuing a career in the medical field? Well, if so, the Biomed program might be right for you. We hope to see you.
Hi, my name's Shelley Mason, and I'm one of the counselors here at Worcester Tech. By now, you've been introduced to 5 of our over 20 programs. We'd like to invite you to learn about the remaining programs at our website. There you'll find detailed information, course descriptions, and further instructor videos that will assist you on fully understanding what the Worcester Tech experience is all about. So what's next? Well, what we'd like to do is help you determine what pathway is for you. Maybe you've already done that, but most students don't have any idea which career direction they want to take. So this is such an important part of your educational process that we've actually provided a tool to help you do that on our website. So there you'll see a tab called Parent and Student Resources, and under that you'll see College and Career Planning. And there you'll find a planning exploration activity, and it's filled with tools and resources that will help you determine what parts of your personality and your interests and strengths match what careers. And then there's also research tools there where you can type in any career and it'll tell you anything you possibly want to know about that. So once you've done those activities there, you hopefully will have some clarity about the direction that you're going in. The next resource that's there is a tool called High School Planning, High School Course Planning Sheet. And what that will help you do is to keep your end goal in mind and use your high school experience and your plan of study to meet that goal. So hopefully you'll find those tools valuable. If you work through those tools and you find that one of our programs here at Worcester Tech are for you, we will be delighted. And then you're probably asking, so what do I do now? Well, registration for a course here at Worcester Tech is easy. If you're an 8th grader presently, there's a link and a QR code at the end of this presentation, and you'll utilize that. However, if you're presently a 9th grade, 10th grade, or an 11th grade student, you'll simply make your request on your course request sheet that your high school counselor will give you. Now, sometimes those requests are made through PowerSchool, and you'll do the same thing. You'll just choose those courses for that program, and then that summer will take care of the rest for you. So I hope this was helpful. Regardless of what pathway you choose to take, we here at Worcester Tech would be delighted to help you. Please feel free to reach out to us, and we wish you the best.